Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor identification on Discord. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is go to user settings down here. Then you're instantly in my account settings and you want to click this enable authenticator app. Now, of course, you need to type your password. After you have done that, click continue. And now you have pretty much everything you need to know here. So first of all, what you need to do is install this app, then scan this code, and then enter the 6-digit verification code that you got. So I'm quickly going to do this and then I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back and well, I pretty much did everything that the Discord thingy told me. So I downloaded the app, it's free, don't worry. And if you downloaded the same app as me, right here somewhere down on your phone will be a plus button and it will tell you to scan a QR code. Well, there will be an option to do it. After you have done that, quickly scan the code and type the code quickly because every 30 seconds the code changes. And after you have typed the code, well, you get this. So I recommend doing this thing right here, downloading backup codes, because in case of, well, losing your authenticator app, you could lose your Discord account permanently, I think. I don't know, maybe you can email them or something, but just in case, do this and put it on your desktop or something somewhere safe. And well, now all you need to do is enable SMS authentication. And of course, your password again. And that's it. You have successfully secured your account. And if you want to remove it, well, just do this. And if you didn't download your backup codes, you can do it again right here. And yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comment section. And if you want more tutorials just like this, well, feel free to subscribe. Anyhow, guys, have a nice day.